What happens if the sun disappears for 10 seconds? Imagine the sun vanishing for 10 seconds, a fleeting heartbeat in the cosmos. The universe, woven with light and gravity, holds its breath. Every planet, every star, suspended in a silent pause. Light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. So at first, nothing changes. Everything seems normal. We'd still feel warmth, unaware of the cosmic interruption, the sky unchanged. The day continues. Gravity too travels slowly. 8 minutes later, Earth drifts untethered. The planets move straight, freed from the sun's pull. Stars suddenly blaze as darkness falls. A breathtaking view, humbling and surreal. Confusion ripples across the globe. Some think of power outages, others wonder at strange phenomena. The sudden darkness unsettles everyone. Moments of fear, awe, and wonder. Collide solar systems pause, grids dip slightly. Even a brief 10 seconds leaves a mark. Earth stops curving around the sun, drifting straight at 30 kilometers per second. Other planets shift slightly in a delicate cosmic dance. Then the sun returns. Light slowly brightens. The world sighs in relief. Solar grids recover. Energy flows normalize. The planets resume their precise orbits. Tiny drifts have subtle consequences. Earth's orbit slightly wider, changes imperceptible but real. Slight cooling over centuries, a barely noticeable shift in our celestial clock. Even brief disruptions ripple through space and time. The universe reacts in ways both small and profound. This reminds us of our dependence on the sun. More than light, it anchors life and stabilizes our world. For 10 seconds, we glimpse a universe without it, dark, cold, and profoundly silent. In that brief moment, we appreciate its power, the steady presence that makes life possible. Next time you feel the sun on your face, remember its warmth, guidance, and wonder. Everything we are is because of its light, our lives, anchored by its constant glow. The planets dance in delicate balance. Even a 10-second lapse leaves subtle marks. Stars and planets hold their course. The cosmos resumes its silent, perfect rhythm. We are reminded of the sun's profound power. Its presence shapes every moment of life. Its steady light guides seasons, ecosystems, and existence. A cosmic heartbeat that never falters. So next time you feel the sun on your face, remember its warmth, its guidance, and the very possibility of life.